Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, if one diamond represents 9 items and cost of that 8 diamonds equals to 122.40 RM, then what is the total cost of 4 diamonds in RM? Firstly, 1 diamond equals to 9 items, okay? And cost of 8 diamonds is given by 122.40 RM, okay? That is cost of 8 into 9 items, because 1 diamond is 9 items, okay? Is 122.40 RM. So this 72 items means cost of 72 items is 122.40 RM, okay? So from this, cost of one item be 122.40 divided by 72. That is, it will be 1.7 RM. Okay. So cost of 4 diamonds equals to cost of 4 into 9 items. That is cost of 36 items is cost of one item, that is 1.7 RM into 36. So it will be 61.2 RM.